One thing that surprised me about this pizza cutter is how sturdy it feels compared to some of the cheaper ones I've owned in the past. The brand gifted me with this Unicycle pizza cutter, and right out of the box, it feels solid and well made. It actually comes packaged nicely too, so this would make a great gift for someone who loves cooking pizza or just loves unique kitchen gadgets. One of the first things I noticed is the handle design. It's so comfortable to hold, easy to grip, and gives you good control whenever you're cutting. As you can see, I accidentally gave this pizza cutter a pretty good test because my husband and I were outside working in the backyard, and I lost track of time, so by the time we got our pizza out of the oven, it was a little bit crispy, but even with the extra crispy crust, this cutter worked right through it, and it was so easy to cut it. And I'm telling you, it was pretty crispy, almost like a rock. We still ate it, but I was skeptical on how easy it would cut through, and this pizza cutter worked really well and cut through that extra crispy crust. I love that it's stainless steel. It feels very durable and it's not flimsy or wobbly. We're going to also use this for nachos, quesadillas, sandwiches, or any other food that needs quick slicing. Cleanup was super easy. I just rinsed it off. I love how there's not a lot of spaces for food to get trapped in. It's really simple just to rinse off and throw in the dishwasher, which I also love that it is dishwasher safe. Overall, if you're looking for a pizza cutter that feels sturdy, cuts smoothly, and doesn't feel cheap or flimsy, this is a really nice option. It handled our overcooked crispy pizza with no problem, and we're definitely going to be using this from now on. If you're looking for a new pizza cutter, this one's a great one.